the Streamlined Overactive Bladder app. Our team decided to create this app to address the historic problem in the medical industry of patients not fully understanding their possible medical treatments. The gap of knowledge between patients and their medical providers is large and hard to overcome. In the past, brochures and other printed material were used to explain the possible treatment options. However, this form of translating the information often didn't work well, as patients found it hard to find the information they needed. Our app helps to solve this problem by providing a streamlined version of that information. It is clean and easy to understand. Additionally, it allows patients to search terms and find what they need. This model is currently only being applied to the medical problem of overactive bladder, but it could be applied to other medical needs as well. Now, we will take you through the app. When you enter the home page, you see you have multiple options. You can click to input your medical history. You can find your treatment options, compare your side effects, compare frequency and usage, or learn about the app. The first button is to input your medical history. If you click on it, it takes you to a page where you have multiple questions that you can answer yes or no to. This helps you customize your experience because these questions are connected to the treatments in the actual app. And if you were to answer yes to one of these questions, and it means that you can't use that treatment, it will give you a warning sign. So I will input yes for glaucoma and then submit. When I click submit, it takes me back to the home page. Now, when I click on treatment options, as you can see, a warning comes up and says that due to a contraindication, the treatments that were highlighted in red shouldn't be available to me because of the answer that I gave originally. You still see all the options, and you can still click on the options that are highlighted in red, but it's just there to let you know that you shouldn't be using them. Here, we can click on physical therapy, Botox, meds, or PTNS to take us to a more in-depth page of that treatment. So if I click on physical therapy, it'll take me to a page with a graphic of physical therapy and a description of it, the side effects, and the treatments over a year. You can click back and home at any time. If I were to go back, I can still click on the meds button, but it was just highlighted to no, so I know that I shouldn't be using it. On this page, there's a lot of information, so I can scroll to see the rest of it. Additionally, I can compare the side effects of my treatment options. If I click on the Compare Side Effects page, it takes me to a page where, once again, I have a warning because I'm not supposed to be using meds. When I click out of this, you can see you still have your options, and you can compare the side effects between different treatments. If I click back, it takes me back to the home page. I can compare the frequency and usage as well. Here, we have a lot of options, so we're going to scroll so that way we can see all of them. These bars represent a figurative understanding of how often you would need to follow up to this treatment per year. So physical therapy is very often. Botox is not very often. You can also click on the About and see about our app. At any time, you can also search a term in the top, and then when you click Enter, it'll take you to a page with the findings of that search. So I entered Botox, and it found the Botox term and a description of it. Additionally, I can click back to go home, and I'm back on my original page. This is our app, and we hope that it can be useful to patients, and we hope that you enjoy it.